tutorial we will see how to print number square pattern. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. In this pattern, every line is having 5 numbers. Along with every number, a space character is appended. Let's type code to print this pattern. Declare and initialize a variable I with 0. We are going to use while loop here while I less than 5. 5 is nothing but the required number of iterations, and at the end of every iteration increase I value by 1. So here I value will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. At the end of 5th iteration, I value will become 5. 5 less than 5, condition false and iteration is going to stop here. To print this type of pattern, we are going to use one more while loop, nested while, with inner variable j is equal to 0, nested while j less than 5. And at the end of every nested while, we are going to increase j value by 1. So let's print the result. Print 5 minus j is going to print 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Along with every number, a space character is appended that we are going to use end parameter of print method. Now, after printing 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 in the first line, we want to begin the iteration from the second line. So for that, we are going to use empty print statement outside this nested while loop. So save the file and run the file in the terminal py square.py. This is our expected square number pattern. In the next video tutorial, we will see another type of number square pattern.